Hello my friends, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the mistake most people make when preparing French onion soup. They stop cooking their onions far too early, when French chefs keep going because this is where the onions become sweeter, richer, deeper and more flavorful. Every shade of golden brown you can see in this picture is another layer of sweetness and depth. So let's go back to the beginning and you will see that great onion soup is simply the result of a series of small decisions. Everything starts simply with an onion and a knife. French chefs don't cut onions this way because it looks professional. They do it because uniform slices cook evenly. And remember that even cooking is the first step toward building flavor. So now let's start cooking, my friend. That's my favorite part, because this is when the real magic begins. And when you are making a true French onion soup, the goal is not simply to cook the onions. The real goal is to transform them. See how heat, butter and thyme slowly caramelize sharp onions into something sweet and complex. Look at that! The onion gradually turns a rich, beautiful golden brown, and that's what we want. Now it's time to pour the white wine, which lifts every caramelized bit from the pan and captures all the concentrated flavor. And you can add a touch of brown sugar that enhances caramelization and brings even more depth to the soup. Now add the flour and cook it for a few minutes. Toasting it gives the soup body and eliminates any raw flour taste. Now add the chicken stock that ties everything together and carries all those developed flavors. Now bring the soup to a boil, then cover and let it gently simmer. Remember that thyme is one of the most important ingredients in French cooking. And now you know that cooking isn't about following a recipe, it's about understanding what each step is meant to achieve. At Cook Like a French Chef, we don't just teach recipes, we teach you how to think like a chef.